Vitamins are tiny chemical compounds that your body needs to survive, even though they don't give you calories or energy directly. Instead, they act like helpers, supporting your cells, protecting your organs, and allowing your body to carry out thousands of chemical reactions every second. Without vitamins, your body begins to malfunction. The reason we need vitamins from food is simple. Our bodies cannot create most of them. Humans evolved to rely on plants, fruits, vegetables, and sunlight to supply these essential compounds. In this video, we'll walk through every major vitamin, what it does, where to find it, and why a deficiency can lead to real problems. And by the end, you'll understand exactly how these nutrients keep your body running every day. Fat-soluble versus water-soluble vitamins. Before exploring each vitamin individually, it's important to understand the two categories they fall into: fat-soluble and water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, are stored in your body's fat and liver. That means you don't need them every single day, but it also means too much can be dangerous. Water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C and the B-complex vitamins, dissolve in water and leave your body through urine. Because they're not stored for long, you need them more regularly. This division explains why missing a single day of vitamin C isn't a crisis, but overdosing on vitamin A can cause serious harm. Understanding these categories helps you learn how vitamins behave once you eat them. Vitamin A supports vision, especially night vision, and plays a major role in keeping your skin and immune system healthy. The body stores vitamin A in the liver, and you can find it in foods like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, eggs, and dairy. A deficiency in vitamin A can cause dry skin, reduced immunity, and in severe cases, night blindness. Children in developing countries are especially vulnerable to vitamin A deficiency, which is why public health programs sometimes distribute vitamin A supplements. On the other hand, excess vitamin A from supplements, not food, can be toxic. So balance is key. Vitamin A shows how one nutrient can influence multiple systems throughout the body. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your skin produces it when exposed to sunlight. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also supports the immune system and muscle function. In the United States, many people, even children, don't get enough sunlight, especially during winter. Vitamin D deficiency can cause bone weakness, fatigue, and in severe cases, rickets in children or osteomalacia in adults. Food sources include fortified milk, fatty fish, and egg yolks, but sunlight remains the most powerful. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, vitamin D can build up in the body, so taking too many supplements is risky. Vitamin E acts as one of the body's major antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as tiny shields that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that come from stress, pollution, and normal metabolism. Vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin, boosts the immune system, and protects organs. You can find it in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy green vegetables. Deficiency is rare but can cause nerve problems and muscle weakness. Because vitamin E is stored in fat, too much from supplements can thin the blood and increase the risk of bleeding. The food sources, however, are generally safe and beneficial. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. Without it, even a small cut could bleed for a dangerously long time. Most people get enough vitamin K from leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli. Another interesting fact, your gut bacteria can produce some vitamin K on their own. Newborn babies, however, are born with very little vitamin K, which is why hospitals in the United States give every newborn a vitamin K shot to prevent bleeding problems. Adults can become deficient if they take certain medications or have digestive conditions that affect nutrient absorption. Vitamin C helps repair tissues, fights infections, and keeps your skin healthy by supporting collagen production. Unlike many animals, humans cannot produce vitamin C naturally. We must get it from food. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well-known sources, but strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli actually contain even more. The most famous vitamin C deficiency disease is scurvy, which historically affected sailors who lacked fresh produce. Today, deficiencies are uncommon but still possible. Vitamin C is water-soluble, so extra amounts leave the body easily, making toxicity rare. The B vitamins form a group of 8 nutrients: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Each plays a vital role in turning food into energy, supporting the nervous system, and helping cells grow and divide. Because they are water-soluble, your body does not store most of them for long. This means you need a steady supply through diet. Foods like whole grains, legumes, meat, dairy, eggs, and leafy greens contain various B vitamins. Deficiencies can cause fatigue, nerve problems, anemia, skin issues, and even mental health changes. Each B vitamin has its own job, so let's break them down clearly. Vitamin B1, thiamine, helps your body convert carbohydrates into energy and supports nerve function. Deficiency can cause fatigue or a serious condition known as beriberi. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, supports cell growth and metabolism. It's found in dairy, eggs, and leafy greens. Vitamin B3, niacin, helps turn food into energy and supports skin and digestive health. Severe deficiency causes pellagra, known for the 3Ds, dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Vitamin B5 helps create hormones, supports metabolism, and assists with making red blood cells. Vitamin B6 is crucial for brain development, immune function, and making neurotransmitters like serotonin. A deficiency in B6 can lead to anemia or depression-like symptoms. Vitamin B7, also known as biotin, supports hair, skin, and nail health. It helps convert fats and proteins into energy. While true deficiency is rare, it can happen in people who eat too many raw egg whites due to a protein that blocks biotin absorption. Vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid, is essential for DNA production and cell division. This is why pregnant women take folic acid supplements to prevent birth defects. Leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals are excellent sources. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve health, red blood cell formation, and energy production. It's found naturally in animal products, so vegetarians and vegans often need supplements. B12 deficiency can cause fatigue, numbness, memory problems, and even permanent nerve damage if untreated. Vitamin deficiencies develop slowly. For water-soluble vitamins, the body uses up its small stores quickly, leading to symptoms within weeks or months. For fat-soluble vitamins, deficiencies take much longer to appear but can be more serious. Poor diet, digestive disorders, certain medications, alcohol use, and aging all increase the risk of deficiencies. Because vitamins work together, missing one can affect the function of others. This is why doctors often run blood tests when someone is constantly tired, weak, or frequently sick. The best way to get vitamins is through a balanced diet, not pills. Whole foods contain fiber, minerals, antioxidants, and nutrients that supplements cannot replace. Fruits and vegetables supply vitamin C and folate. Dairy and eggs provide vitamin B2 and B12. Nuts and seeds deliver vitamin E. Leafy greens provide vitamin K. Sunlight gives vitamin D. If someone has special dietary needs, supplements can help, but only under proper guidance. Most people in the United States can meet their vitamin needs through a colorful, varied diet that includes different food groups. Vitamins may be tiny molecules, but they are essential for life. Each one plays a unique role: vision, bone strength, blood clotting, immune protection, skin health, DNA formation, nerve function, and energy production. A healthy body depends on a steady supply of vitamins from sunlight, whole foods, and occasionally supplements. Now that you understand what each vitamin does, you can see how they work together like a team, supporting every system in your body. Taking care of your nutrition means taking care of your future. And that's every major vitamin explained in the simplest way possible. If you learned something today, make sure to like the video and subscribe. We break down big topics in the easiest way anyone can understand. Thank you for watching, and take care of your body. It's the only one you get.